Hi, do you want to earn $500 every week just watching videos for free? Yeah, I'm going to show you this Make Money Online methods. This is an awesome Make Money Online methods. You just don't have to do anything. You just don't need any skills. You just don't have to invest any money. You just relax and watch videos and you can get paid $500 or even more or less per week on your activity, and definitely you are good to go with that. But before I show you that, hi, this is Dash from Money Horn. If you want to know more latest Make Money Online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so without further ado, we are going to go to the sites that I'm going to show you in this website, this video, that going to pay us more than $500 per week. We just going to give you some first websites, some couple of websites. I'm going to show you the first website that we are going to show you in this video is called gz2u.org. Yes, gz2u.org. This is the first website that going to give us payment for watching videos. But you can see that it's not just a watching video website. They're going to pay you. If you just like surveys, you can take surveys and you can even play games and earn money as well. So watching video is just an options for these websites to get you payment, and we are going to emphasize on this because we are doing or watching videos. We don't want to be completing surveys to earn money. You can just even start with your smartphones and you're good to go with that. You can see that they have support PayPal, Bitcoin and e-gift cards. So this is payment option is not a problem at all. You can get payment without any problem. And you can see that if you just do not want to earn only by watching videos, if you just for in case you want to take surveys, and you can see that you will get more money for that in this website other than other websites, because according to their statement, it is they are going to pay you 65 to 85% in comparison to other survey websites, those who pay 40 to 60% of the same work, same service you do. So these websites for taking survey is better than other websites, any other websites out there. So all you have to do, you can get surveys, you can take surveys without any problem, but you can just sit back, relax and watch videos like this, and you can earn definitely good amount of money every single day. The process of sign up, if you just go over to this website, it's just showing you simple sign up process. It's just telling you that you will get $10 just by sign up bonus. It's very cool. So if you just fill out these forms, you will get $1 for it to head start. So just fill it this form and hit sign up and you're good to go. If you just it will ask you to confirm your email and you are ready to roll. And if you just when you sign up, you will show something like this. This is the dashboard after you sign up, and as it is after you sign up, they have given you $1 for this, and the payment for to take payment from this website, you need $7. So I need $6 more and fill this bar to get payment from this website. So these websites have really good survey offers. You can just scroll down, you can see that top tier survey companies are listed here. You can just do and you can complete any surveys and you will get payment from that. You also can play games and earn money with that as well. But as we are watching videos, we are clicking on these video sections we are interested in, and if we just click on videos, it will show the video sections. So video sections a little more different than the home page. So these sections has a bar as well, but it has some video points. It is they going to pay you like silver tokens, some video points. For every 200 video points you will earn, you will receive a silver token which will add like $1 to $3 to your account balance. So this is really cool. You can earn for every 200 points you get. It's like watching some 200 videos, around 150 to 200 videos, and it will not take much time from your sides, but definitely you don't have to do anything. You just play it, leave it in background, and you're good to go. You just don't have to sit all day. But definitely for every 200 points you will get around $1 to $3. So this is really awesome. But for that you need an hideout account. According to their statement, if you don't already have an hideout account, you just click on hideout, these links here, and it will show something like this. You just fill it this form and hit sign me up, and you're good to go with this. So then it will show all the hideout ads like this. You can see that these are the ads that are provided from hideouts using gg2u.org. So you just watch it and you will get points for that, and after you collect 200 points you can earn up to $3, and this is really awesome. And you can see that there are lots of videos out there every day, thousands of videos. So earning opportunity is limitless. So you can earn more than $100 every day. You can just sit back, relax and watch videos, and you can watch videos all day, and you can earn, definitely you can earn more than $100. So this is the first website that I have showed you today, but I have a second website. But before I show you that, if you're liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you always stay with my channel and with my new videos. So move on to the second websites that I'm about to show you is called jareklamy.com. Yes, it is jareklamy.com. Definitely this is a good website to earn money just using your smartphones, and this is a really cool way. They have an Apple Store app and Google Play app. You can work in any device without any problem. You just sit back, watch videos, take some surveys, you can complete some offers, and you can see some ads, and you can get money for every task you do. You just go over to these websites, you can just hit on register, and it will show simple forms like email and passwords, and you are good to go. When you confirm your email, it will show some dashboard like this, and if you just go click on these earn sections, and it will show the earning opportunities. You can just play games, you can fill out surveys, and you can just do online shoppings, and you will get really good discounts. But we are interested in watching videos here, so if you just click on watching videos, it will show something like this, and you will just click on it, and it will ask for your device. So it works on mobile devices, Android or iPhone, and you are getting paid for watching videos throughout the day. And definitely they are going to give you payment. These are the solid websites. It will give you payment when you reach $25 mark. So definitely this is a good website to earn money watching videos. So in combinations in two websites, gg2u.org and jareklamy.com, in combinations of two websites, definitely if you spend hours every day watching videos, definitely you can hit $50 to $100 daily, and per week you can earn more than $500. Definitely if you just be active, and then you can earn $500 every week just watching videos. All you have to do is just be active, and money will follow you. So this is it, guys, today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.